Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam Christmas candle holders and Christmas candles. And so what you'll need are a pair of these battery operated or flameless candles from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a pair of these little snack plates, and they're plastic. They come in a pack of 6. I've got some loose gemstones. I picked these up at Walmart. You're going to need 4 of these little plastic snowflakes from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some little wire cutters or either scissors to cut the snowflakes down because they're a little bit too large for this project. I've got some silver spray paint here, and I will be spray painting the snowflakes, and I'll be spray painting these little plastic plates on the back so that we can work on the top without scratching the painted surface. You're going to need 2 of these tea light holders, and you can use the same size tea light holders, or you can do a graduated height on them. I've got some hot glue, and I also have some of these peel and stick gemstones that I picked up at Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at your local Dollar Tree. And these are the items that we'll need to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, aren't these beautiful? And so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.